Hello everyone, myself Swarnali Bhattacharya and today we're going to discuss about the topic Introduction to Autoscaling. Now what is autoscaling? Before that we have to get to know about EC2. Now EC2 is the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon EC2 is a web service provided by Amazon Web Services that enables users to run virtual services known as instances in the cloud. EC2 allows for scalable computing capacity so you can run application without the need to invest in physical hardware. Example like T2 the micro and M5 large. Then why do we need what is autoscaling and why do we need it? Autoscaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances that we need. I mean, the virtual machines, it automatically adjusts those number of instances to match the demand. Okay, we have some like if we are creating a project and we need certain amount of instances, and so according to our requirement the auto scaling will be done and scale and that is auto scaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances to match our demands and scaling up during the high traffic and scaling down when demand drops. Even if our website has various like the traffic went really high, then it would scale up and scale down in the vice versa case. When demand drops, optimizes performance and cost. Before studying auto scaling groups in AWS, we need to know about two groups: AMIs, launch templates, because these things are required to create an auto scaling groups. Now, if we want to deploy a Node.js application on an internet, for first we have to go to the AWS Cloud console. If you don't have it, you just have to register for an AWS account. Search EC2 on the search bar and go to EC2 and click on Launch Instances. Name any to your name anything that you want to your instances and select Ubuntu Free Tier as OS images. The selected instance type which is under free tier. For me, the Mumbai region it is T2 micro. Then scroll down and select a security group. It will create a new security group. If you have an existing security group, then create it. Then you can assign that also. But we don't have it, so we have to create one and give allow SSH traffic from anywhere access. It will permit to do SSH for any laptop everywhere, anywhere. Now we have to scroll down and click on create new pair. If you have any existing one, then you can assign that, and we don't have to. So we will generate a new pair key and download key pair and download it. SSH will happen only in the same folder on your laptop when your key pair is present, and I have told this in the above section of the log. Give any name to your key pair and click on key pair button. Then scroll down again, configure the storage setting. By default, it is given 8 GB storage, so that we'll go with it. This EBS storage is also a very important topic. We will discuss it in the next video. Then click on launch instances. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Then instances state will come under the running state, and we will do SSH for our laptop in this instances. Check the check mark on your select the check mark on your instances, then click on the connect button on the left of the instance and instance state button. Then we have, if we don't want to do SSH from our laptop and directly access your instance from the AWS cloud, then you can click connect button under EC2 instances. Then we want to connect it from our laptop, so we'll go to the SSH client tab and run the following command into our Windows WSL terminal. WSL is Windows supporting Linux terminal. I have downloaded them file into my D drive, and I'm moving that file into root directory by running the command. And congrats, now we have successfully done SSH. Our terminal becomes the terminal of EC2. You can verify the IP address of the below image of the private IP address of our instance that is visible in the image of step 7. You got your brand new machine. Now you have to install Node.js, npm and a code to run the machine. Now copy the public IP of your instance we leaved in the step 7 and then try accessing your Node.js app from your browser by doing HTTP, and you can see the link. Select your group instance as shown in step 7. Go to security tab in the footer, then select the security group link. Then yes, you can see currently only SSH is allowed. Click on the edit inbound rule button. Add a new rule, then that custom TCP is allowed from on the internet port 800 8080. Then again visit your instances, the one which you have, and boom, you have your website on live on the internet and you can share it with anyone. Now, very important, terminate the instances that you have created because you could be built for that. So as you're not you might get a build if you're not in the free dive. And that's it for the video. Thank you.